Welcome again, children. Let's start today's lesson. Today's date is 9th of February 2021. Day is Tuesday. Subject English Literature and topic is Lesson 16 Aladdin and the Magic Lamp, Part 2 of the lesson. So, yesterday we had learned the story of Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Today we are going to start with the exercise. Let's start. First, take out your copies, literature copies, and write down the word meanings. First, write down the lesson Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Word meaning. First word is wizard. Who is wizard? Wizard is a magician. Wizard means magician. Astonished. Astonished means very surprised. Very surprised. Surprised. Enormous. Enormous means very large or huge. बहुत बड़ा जो होता है that is called enormous. Enormous means very large or huge. Treasure. Treasure means wealth or jewels. जो बहुत सारे jewels और wealth होती है, बहुत सारा खजाना होता है, that is called treasure. Terribly. Terribly means fearfully or frightfully. Fearfully, frightfully. दो आंसर होंगे वहाँ only one will come, but you have to learn both the answers because कोई सभी इनमें से आपको टिक करने के लिए आ सकता है. Terribly, fearfully, frightfully, treasure, wealth and jewels, enormous, very large and huge. Astonished, very surprised. ये एक ही वर्ड है, सिंगल वर्ड है. Wizard, magician. Okay? Astonished मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज होना. Now take out the book, page number 115. So first is comprehension. A1 exercise, fill in the blanks with words from the lesson. Lesson से देख के आपको इनको fill करना है. Aladdin was a poor tailor's son. Poor tailor's son. A wicked wizard, W-I-Z-A-R-D, wizard, W-I-Z-A-R-D, meets Aladdin and says, I'm your uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. He asks Aladdin to help him, H-E-L-P, help him. He takes him to a narrow valley, N-A-R-R-O-W, narrow valley. He lights a fire, F-I-R-E, fire, and throws a magic, M-A-G-I-C, magic, powder in it. The ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, opens. He makes Aladdin pull up a round brass ring, R-I-N-G, ring, on the big square stone, S-T-O-N-E, stone. The wizard tells Aladdin to go down into the cave and look for an old lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. The wicked uncle knows he will die, D-I-E, die, if he tries to get the lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp himself. I will repeat all the answers again. First is Aladdin was a poor tailor's son. Wicked wizard meets Aladdin and says, I'm your uncle. He asks Aladdin to help him. He takes him to a narrow valley. He lights a fire and throws a magic powder in it. The ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, opens. He makes Aladdin pull up a round brass ring on a big square stone. The wizard tells Aladdin to go down into the cave and look for an old lamp. The wicked uncle knows he will die if he tries to get the lamp himself. Okay, now turn the page. A2 exercises, read the following sentences carefully and number them in the correct order. So, आपको बहुत सारे यहाँ पे 5 sentences दिए हैं. You have to name them in the correct order. First is, he said, go down quickly and get me the old lamp from the cave. Second, the wicked wizard got angry. He said magic word to shut the cave. Third, the wizard said to Aladdin, pull up the brass ring. Fourth, the Aladdin got the lamp but did not give it to the wizard. Fifth, the genie of the lamp took Aladdin out of the cave. So first sentence should be, I think, the number 3 should be the first sentence. The wizard said to Aladdin, pull up the brass ring. Second should be, He said, "Go down quickly and get me the old lamp from the cave." इसके सामने first के सामने आप 2 लिखिए. Then the third sentence should be, Aladdin got the lamp but did not give it to the wizard. 4 के सामने 3. Then the wicked wizard got angry. He said magic words to shut the cave. 2 के सामने 4. And the last 5 के सामने आप 5 लिखेंगे. The genie of the lamp took Aladdin out of the cave. Now second part is vocabulary. Read the words in the box carefully. Sunset, remember, softly. No one, empty, come up. Now choose the words from the box and fill in the blanks. First is, the glass was full of water. Deepak drank all the water. Now the glass is full. का opposite क्या होगा? Empty. 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 Second, wizard to Aladdin. Go down and look for an old lamp. Then dash and give me the lamp. Opposite of go down is come up. COME, come, UP, up, and give me the lamp. Third, the king said to the brave young man, the horse will run from sunrise till dash, you have to follow it. Opposite of sunrise is sunset. SUNSET, sunset. Fourth, I can never forget my grandmother. I'll always dash her kindness and stories she told me. Opposite of forget is remember. 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 Fifth, don't talk loudly in the library. You must talk dash. Opposite of loudly is softly. SOFTLY. Sixth, everyone is having lunch. There is dash in the garden. Opposite of everyone is no one. NO, ONE, one. Okay. So children, next is we are going to continue the next part of the lesson tomorrow. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.